There are people out there who seem to have no issues getting promoted, and you just want to know what their secret is. Like, how do they do that? Well, stay tuned, because this week I'm going to give you the top 12 secrets to getting that promotion. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm Sarah Curto, and I'm the Neighborhood Certified Career and Leadership Coach. I help people find their dream job or get their next promotion, sometimes it's where they work less hours, make way more money, like I'm talking up to six-figure raises sometimes, and finally feel fulfilled and happy doing work that they love, that challenges them. I do that in my two programs, the Find Your Dream Job program and the Your Next Promotion Mastermind. Right now, the Your Next Promotion Mastermind is open. Stay to the end and I'll tell you a little bit more at the end on how to find out more and to see if it's a good fit for you. Okay, but today, we got to talk about promotions, and I've been talking a lot about leadership and promotions these days. But I'm still talking about job searches and everything. So make sure you hit subscribe. And as I'm going through these 12 secrets, what I would like you to do is I want you to hit like when I get one that you love, and then I want you to tell me in the comments which one it is and why you love it, and what you're going to do about it. Okay. So secret number one shouldn't come as a surprise if you've watched any of my videos recently, but we have to tell your boss. And if you don't know how to tell your boss, I did teach you. So go to this video so that you can learn how to tell your boss. But here's why we have to tell them. We need to know if they'll advocate for you. Because if they won't advocate for you, then we need to figure out who will. So secret number one, we have to tell your boss. Okay, secret number two. Your hard work does not speak for itself. It doesn't. All it does is it gets you more hard work. Work smarter, not harder, really is a secret to getting sustainable promotion after promotion. Okay, secret number three kind of builds on this. Being the best at your job only shows leadership that you're the best at your current job. And often they don't want to promote you because they don't want to replace you. They don't know if they can replace you. They need you in that role. So don't become the best. Don't become irreplaceable, because we want them to see your future, not your current. Okay, secret number four. LinkedIn is the place to build your internal reputation. We're not seeing it happening, especially with the rise of remote work. We're not seeing it happen in the workplace anymore. We're seeing it happen online. So having an excellent online presence and in connecting and interacting with your peers and colleagues and the leadership, everyone from your organization on LinkedIn is like the easiest way to do it these days. Number five, secret number five, become a leader. And decision makers will promote you because they will see that you're a leader. You can be a leader in an individual contributor role. You can always lead, and then they will naturally see you growing within that company. Secret number six, education isn't always the answer or even needed. Sometimes we feel like we need to do all of these certifications. It's the only way we can get ahead. This is why we need to talk to our manager. This is why it's not a secret, because I think we all know we need advocates and sponsors to represent us within the organization. It's why we need those mentors, those sponsors, those advocates, is they will let us know what education is needed, if any. So education isn't always the answer. Secret number 7. Working longer hours leads only to burnout. It does not lead to recognition. It does not lead to promotion. So, and you see this. You see this. Also, saying yes does the same. So if you're saying yes to everything in the hopes you'll get promoted or recognized, I hate to break it to you, it generally just leads to burnout. So let's stop doing that. That is not the way to getting promoted. Okay, secret number 8, your resume and your interviews need to be focused on the job you want, not the job you currently have. So kind of pulling out that leadership and the strategic oversight and strategic planning skills that you have and that you're using currently, let's pull those out for your resume and for your interviews. Secret number 9, develop your soft skills so that you can stand out from the competition. So many individuals focus so much on the hard skills of leadership or the business strategy that they forget about the soft skills like empathy, like advocacy, like listening, like your intuition, your natural leadership skills, like your soft skill of leadership. The more you develop those, the more unique of a leader you become, because your approach becomes completely different. Your reputation within the organization becomes completely different. And that is how you stand out. It's not doing what everyone else is doing. Okay, secret number 10, and this is a big one, and this is something a lot of women do, is the secret is it's okay to feel like an imposter. So, like, of course, you've never done the job. So of course you'd feel like you're an imposter. The problem is when we think the imposter syndrome is a problem and we think we have to wait until it's gone before we're ready. And that's not true. That's not the case at all. It is normal to feel like an imposter. So stop waiting for that feeling to go away. I want you to charge ahead and it'll go away on its own. Okay, tip number 11. I want you to figure out the type of leader that you want to be rather than replicating being a popular leader out there. So I see this in a lot of spaces where people want to become leaders that are very mainstream and outspoken. And yes, their companies have been wildly successful in their own ways. But if that's not the type of leader you want to be, then stop trying to be them. Because it kind of goes with that soft skills. So many people are trying to be those mainstream leaders. So you're not going to stand out from them. So be the leader you want to be, forge that path forward, and that's how you will really stand out. Secret number 12 is directed to people in leadership roles. So if you're a manager, director, or VP, and you still want to keep progressing, I want you to stop doing other people's jobs, like your people's jobs. Some managers and directors find it very difficult to let go of the doing, but the problem is you're not going to get promoted for doing the job. You're only going to get promoted for leading other people doing the job. So start to get better at delegating so that you can stop doing and start leading. Okay, those were my top 12 secrets to getting promoted. This is what other people are doing and how they seem to have it so easy and they move up the ladder. And this is what I'm going to be helping you do, you ambitious professional that wants to get promoted, wants to move up that career ladder, in my newest mastermind. So it's called the Your Next Promotion Mastermind. It is a 4-month program. We start January 2024, and we're taking small cohorts. So we'll have 5 in each group. I will decide the groups as we get there based off of complementary skills and same level of leadership. And then we will have weekly coaching calls within our cohorts. You will have access to the Your Path to Promotion framework. So this is my course. This is my process that gets you from being overlooked, under-recognized, to like valued, to more money, to getting the promotion, being recognized as the leader that you are in 4 months. And we will also have a group community as a whole on Slack. If you want to join, or if you want to talk to me to see if this is a good fit for you, then click the link below to find out more and then fill out the application for a free consult call where you and I will hop in the call for about 30 minutes. I'm going to find out a little bit more about where you are right now, where it is you want to go, some of the challenges that have been stopping you from getting that promotion, so that I can tell you what I'm seeing, give you some insight so that no matter what you decide, you leave the call with something. We will talk about the mastermind to see if it is a good fit for you and then answer any questions that you may have. I want 2024 to be the year that you get that promotion and set your career up for everything that goes beyond just that next promotion. So I can't wait to see what 2024 brings to you, and I hope and that I get a chance to work with you to make it all happen. Okay, until next week, I will see you then. Take care. Bye. If you liked this video, then I invite you to join me in the Find Your Dream Job program, where you work less, make more money, and finally feel fulfilled doing work that you love. Find out more at www.sarahcurto.ca/CYLA. See you there.